I would say like usual, nothing happened like planned. Original plan, like okay, cancelled. And then came up, boom, I received an invitation from Michael, the one that taught me all the basics about outdoors. Yeah, let's go on that in the afternoon. Let's then go out in the wood. I did not want to go indoors during the night. I wanted to spend my night outdoors. I don't know if you ever experienced that, but you know, I don't know, I sleep much better outdoors than anywhere else indoors. And I'm like, okay, let's go there. And this was Blakingate. I'm using public transportation usually, so I'm not considering distances, I'm considering time. I'm considering how much time does it take to go to that point. And it's not that something is far that's gonna take long, it's usually, you know, like buses are the thing that take long, but you know, with the train you can go very fast in location. So I didn't have really distance until he showed me that it was 160 kilometers away, and he had to go one way and the way back during the night, and you're like, yeah, sure, let's go there. Anyway, so we went to that place, and unfortunately it started to rain, so forget about good pictures. But we wanted to make fire. You have to realize it's windy, rainy, and no dry wood, so it's pretty technical, and we actually did it. So that was good. This spot is very nice because you're just near the lake, but I actually moved my tent out a bit further in the forest because I was like, there's gonna be a storm. You know, in the morning I wake up and I see my tent like moving, like, you know, like the wall of the tent was like pushing, you know, and I'm like, the tent is like keeping stable, there's no problem about it, let's go back to sleep. It was 5 degrees outside, it was windy, it was rainy, some snowish, but it's not really, it's more rain than snow, and it was like overall cold. I enjoyed that, and just, you know, enjoy a great night with good friends. I see you for next weekend. I think I have some kind of plan for next weekend. I'm not sure exactly, but I think I have some kind of good plan for next weekend. So, bye bye.